Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the Bitcoin chart on 18th of March 2023. Then I'm going to show you some positions that you can make on it and see what's going to happen next. So as you can see here, we have this trend line broken right now, the live market. We can right now enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle here or somewhere safer here. It depends on your risk management. I do put it here because I can handle it better. It is too much far for me. Yeah, we can enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle and look for risk reward too. And yeah, if the price reaches to that our target, okay, we can risk free our position, put our stop loss in our entry, and or actually we can close all of our position and exit the market. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis. Let's switch the part which I have made my positions yesterday and see what happened there, which you can learn from them and take live positions on the market. Before we start this part, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see, on first position I made, that was this trend line with one touch, two touches, and a third time it was broken here, and we could risk here and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle here or even safer here, because this was a nice place to put our stop loss and it was near to these other options. I did put my stop loss below here, okay, and it gave us a reward of actually 15, which is a fantastic reward. It means you can lose 15 positions in a row if you look by management side. On the second position we did have this trend line, which was like this at the first look. When we see these shadows here, we extend it until we see that green candle breaks out of this trend line. We can risk here and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle here or even here, and it gave us a reward of 4.4 here. On the third position we did have this trend line broken with this green candle. We had the potential to enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gave us a reward of 4.3 here. And it doesn't mean you should take all the reward 4 here, okay. You can close your position somewhere here because you've seen lots of shadows here or lots of pin bars here, dodgy candles, but you know, we had the potential, the market had the potential that to give us a reward of something around 4.4 here. On the trade 4 we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. On the fifth time it was broken here. We could risk on it and enter buy position here on body close, put our stop loss below the candle here or even here or very safe here, and look for risk reward 2, which gives us a reward of 4 here. After we see this correction in the market, we can close our position here, but if we didn't close our position, it would have given us something around 12, which is a fantastic one. On the trade 5 we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here and we could risk here and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle here or even here, and it gave us a reward of 8. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video and this part. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.